Today we're going to unbox the bristle brush attachment for the power head from EGO. One of the great things about EGO is they keep developing new stuff. I mean, every time I turn around, they have new stuff coming out. Okay, so always very impressed with this company. Take a look at that. All right. Now that is big. All right, so the bristle brush attaches the power head system, which I'll attach it here as we pull it out after we pull it out of the box. And it's supposed to be able to help clean up, you know, like dirt, leaves, snow, etc., etc. You know, sometimes the blower does really good, but you need something to actually physically scrub that dirt, especially if it's like clumped into mud clumps in your garage or sidewalk. So that's kind of what this thing does. All right. Oh, dogs are excited about something. Okay, so we got this big bar here, which I'm pretty sure that that's where the big bristle is attached to. And we're just strapped on the pole right now. So let's just pop these off. These are pretty big, so you can kind of see how big they really are. All right, so it looks like we got the main bar here. I'll set that to the side. And the big old bristles. Set those to the side. All right, got a guard, a little washer popping out of somewhere. Okay, that probably goes back in there. All right, got a bag with some parts here. Looks like probably what hold the bristles on. Got a bag, it's got some Allen wrenches and some cotter pins in it. Okay. Instruction booklet. And that looks to be about it. Okay, so we're going to take our main pole here, take the rubber cap off the end. Okay. Hey Molly. Molly wants to come by and say hi. Alright, so we're going to take our guard, and before you stick it on there, make sure that the nut is in the hole on this side. It should be right there, you should be able to see it. And then the washer should be inserted on that side. When I pulled mine out, the washer kind of fell out, so just kind of stick it back in there. No big deal. There is a notch, okay, right here. So line that up with the notch on the plastic end here of the pole. Stick it on, just drop it straight down. You see this black steel right there with the hole in it. Well, that's gonna go right over, right in between where that nut and washer were. And then you should have a black, you know, Allen type head screw. Just drop in on the washer side. Let's use our Allen wrench and just tighten that up. Okay, that's pretty easy. Now you're going to take these two adapters, okay? And then you'll need these two locking pins. Alright, and when you put it in, it's going to slide in. There's going to be a hole right there that the locking pin's going to go in. Now both sides have the hole. See, I've got a hole here, but as you can see, the locking pin doesn't really do anything, doesn't go anywhere. Okay, that hole's just there so when the locking pin goes all the way through. Notice this side here, there's a little notch right here, so the locking pin's gonna go in there and snap in right there. Okay. Hey Molly. Alright, so obviously they're gonna line up with the holes that we have right there on the shaft. So let's just drop one of them down in here. Okay. only lets me put it on one direction. Okay, you can turn it. Insert the locking pin and snap it in place. Snaps in good and easy. Let's put the other side on. Locking pin in. And so you can see in the camera. All right. So this is a pretty easy assembly. All right, so we're gonna have these big bristles here. It looks like they have a much larger, you got just a little hexagon side over here, and this side here is quite a bit larger. So I'm pretty sure that's the side that's gotta go in. So it'll go up and over. Yep. And now we're left with right here at the end, just, get the camera angle right, just that sticking out. So our locking cotter pin's gonna, should easily just slide in place and then locks in like so. Okay, that way it's easy to take these off if you need to clean them. If they get all full of gunk, you can take these off separately and hose them down, clean them up and put them back on. Okay, assembly's done. Let's hook it up to the actual power head and give it a little test run. Well, thanks for joining us on this unboxing and assembly of the bristle head for the power head system for the EGO Power Plus. All right, the next video, which you'll see links right up here popping up, I'll have an actual first run. I'm going to clear off the snow off my deck because it's freaking cold out there right now, and there's snow on the top upper deck, and I'm going to use this to knock it off. Please take a moment, check out our website link, and subscribe to the channel while you're doing that. Everyone, you guys have a great day. Thanks again.